Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have y and first derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that 2x next to y, that is about 4 integrating factor. And we have the integration of 2x, you got s squared. Next, we multiply both sides by this one. This one we have 0. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully, this is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to 8b. So the integration of that one, we have y e to the power of s squared. This one we have c. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.